Is this good? Okay. Hi, my name is Victoria Allen. What's going on? I know, right? It's a pandemic. Who knew? We're in year number 2, 3 months in, and I want to introduce my YouTube channel. I call it Vyckiey of all trades because I'm a trader. I don't just stick to one thing. I do a variety of things. I have a bachelor's in technical communications and an associate's in culinary arts. I just wanted to let y'all know this is what to expect on my channel. A little bit of life, a little bit of health, a little bit of maintenance, and a little bit of graphic and editing. As you can see on my channel, I mainly have a lot of hair videos, a lot of editing videos. I create graphics. So you might occasionally see me cooking, creating, cake decorating, making my colorful salads. You've seen me put up a backsplash in my kitchen. I've also changed my kitchen sink, like the faucet itself. I took the garbage disposal out of it and put the drain in. I had to figure it out. So what I do, come to YouTube University. I'm no electrician, but I did have someone show me how to change my wall socket. And I took the chance and changed out one of my wall sockets that wasn't working properly. I also do a lot of videos with my hair. I already know how to perm my hair. I've been perming my hair for years, but I decided I wanted to go natural. So I learned to bleach my hair and color my hair. I've cut my hair. I use clippers for the first time in my videos. I have several stories in mind, but I'm in the process of figuring out if I want to do it as a screenplay and make a short film, a feature film. So I love to do DIYs. I love to learn and experiment, and I love to try new things. And if I don't feel I can do it, I'll pay somebody to do it. But sometimes saving a dollar is learning how to do it yourself, and that's what I do. Cut out the middleman, save a buck. So welcome to my channel, Vyckiey of all trades. And if you're watching, you're probably a trader too. But before you leave, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Sharing is caring. My name is Victoria Allen, and this is my masterclass on how to be a jack of all trades. Thanks, traders. I was about to say, hey Siri. This is my intro video. The other things that I forgot. You know, I have a bachelor's in technical communications and an associate's in culinary arts. And I also have an associate's in general studies. I don't even mention that, so yeah.